Sing a song from the recently released Sayyara.
Sia.
Manu.
Okay. Sayyara tu to bandna nahi hai.
You're a Pap favorite already.
Really?
I know that for sure. You know, talking about the Paps. Is there someone who tells you, okay, this is how you have to behave?
No.
Oh, okay.
I think बचपन से ही मुझे इतना देखा in terms of paps.
What is it like, you know, when someone says कि तू कर लेगा यार?
For me, I think maximum weightage goes to all the people who don't even know us and they still compliment us.
Because I was doing 3 films simultaneously where all 3 were debutantes, including them,
Correct.
Ahan Aneet and Aishwarya, who is there in Nishan. तो मेरे मुंह से एक ही लाइन निकली थी कि the day you stop thinking about yourself is the day you start thinking about others. The day you start thinking about others, the others start thinking about you.
It's so exciting when 2 new faces are going to be on a silver screen. It takes me back to the times where I watch films and I've never watched them before, and it almost feels like there are, yani ki the audience's discovery. Hi and welcome to Just to Filmy. I'm Rotox and today I'm joined with the cast and crew of Mannu Kya Karega. Hi guys, how's it going?
Hello.
Thank you so much for joining me today.
Pleasure.
I'm going to start with, of course, you, sir, because you've had such an amazing, extensive experience when it comes to, like, literally, आपने हमें जितना भी हमने TV देखा है बचपन में, you made TV look good. Okay, so I'm going to start with that. You had the chance to have 2 newcomers in your film. What is the most exciting thing about working with, you know, people who don't have baggage? Let's put it that way.
Yeah, I think I said also कि सबसे बड़ा advantage ये है कि when you work with newcomers, they don't come with any baggage. उनको ये नहीं होता कि मैं ऐसा दिख रहा हूँ कि नहीं, मैं ऐसा हो रहा हूँ. बस ये होता है कि how am I performing, whether I am coming up to the expectation of the director, which is being expected from them. So they give more than 100%, and that's an asset for a director. You can mold them the way you want, the way your character is. So they just slipped into Manu and Jia the way I wanted, and they surrendered themselves completely to me, and that was, for any director, it's a dream come true when the actors surrender to you.
That's so wonderful.
Yeah.
Huh? I can imagine. The 2 of you, of course, are, you know, there's a lot of pressure on you, I must say, because suddenly we're all sitting up and saying, wow, you know, love stories are back, fresh faces are back. And does that put pressure on you? Let's start with that, Sachi.
I feel more than pressure, I'm taking it in a very positive way that, you know, the audience is now being more receptive to newcomers, hopefully, so they will give us a chance too. And yeah, I can only pray now, since Sayyara has actually done really, really well. It's a great film. Both of them have done so well. And I just hope that, you know, people give us that love and just give us a chance. Just come and watch us.
How lovely. Just give us a chance. Yes.
Please.
ये chance तुम्हें कैसे मिला बताओगे?
Chance कैसे मिला? I mean,
because this is what we want to know.
Okay.
When you're not a Kapoor or a Khan, how does it happen?
see, it happens through hard work. Yeah. I don't know anything apart from कि बाकी सबको कैसे क्या मिलता है. I won't comment on that. But then I think it's pure hard luck. Pure hard work and a little bit of luck, which you know, like, gets you where you always want to be. And I think universe is always listening. You just have to constantly speak.
Yeah. So what is the story really? Like, you were DCA talent. I remember that. I remember the video that you were part of. And what was it like? Like, did you guys have to audition? Were you auditioning already? Were you rejected before this? And then when you signed something, take us through those steps, either of you.
So you wanna,
Okay. So to be honest, it's been 8-9 years that I've been auditioning.
Wow.
It's been a very, very long journey, but fruitful for sure. I've learned a lot of things on the way. There were days where, of course, you lose patience, but then I know that my end goal had to be this and I have to do it. और you know, जब वो call back नहीं आता ना, तो कुछ टूट सा जाता है ना दिल में. It's just like, you know, like you're just waiting for that, and sometimes they don't tell you कि हो रहा है नहीं हो रहा. So it's just heartbreaking a little bit, but you definitely learn a lot. I have goosebumps saying this, but yeah, I assisted, directed, and then I was couple of projects happened. COVID came in. I was lucky to be with DCA. I'm still with DCA, so they really helped me. And yeah, then Sanjay sir auditioned me. We had a meeting. I did a couple of auditions, and that's how it happened for me. But about 8-9 years now.
Wow,
Yeah.
wow. Well, congratulations. Yes, Vyom.
I would say that especially like coming from the background that I'm from, like I'm an engineer, I'm from Delhi. So वहाँ पे like especially being an engineer because I'm 21 pass out, तो मेरे पास इतना time था नहीं कि I can actually get into like some institute where I can learn acting and like obviously I've done my training courses, workshop, but not like a 2-year, 3-year diploma course or something like that. So obviously those rejections were like mostly, in fact, that is my degree. Yaar. Those rejections have shaped me, redirected me into the right path that I'm here. And honestly, मैं तो कह रहा हूँ किसी को भी डरना नहीं चाहिए rejection से. मतलब you're known by your rejections more than your successes. So I think even down the line, yeah, मतलब it's not like things are going to be sorted now. It's just the beginning, and I think make more mistakes, fail often.
Fail often, yeah. That's good. I have to take you back to your first time that you were on the screen. What was your audition like?
The very first time, fortunately, I didn't have to audition for the first time because it was only एक ही scene था और audition तो अब दे रहा हूँ.
बिल्कुल.
So live मतलब अजीब सा ही है, but the first time it was more about I was actually in this phase of Mannu kya karega, to be honest, because I had completed my graduation. I came to Mumbai to look after my sister, and till then I was clear in my head that I'll go back to Delhi University, I'll finish my masters, and then obviously sit for UPSC or mass communication. But वो ना इतना confusion था because आप extra curricular में बहुत exactly football हटा दीजिए तो I have been a national basketball player. I do not know how to play guitar, but this whole thing, this baggage was there that I was so good in everything that I did not know what to do with myself. So when the first time it happened, it was only I had applied for Xavier's ka diploma for mass communication because I was here, Mumbai, thrown here, मतलब just came without any thinking कि मतलब आप सोच के नहीं आए थे. You just came down to look after your sister, and then you had 2-3 months to decide कि तुमको क्या करना है. Masters में already admission हो चुका था. But then I thought that यार मैं यहीं से डिप्लोमा क्यों नहीं कर लेता हूँ Xavier से. And then written हो गया था. जिस दिन interview था, that day I got my first acting job. And I went because I was supposed to pay 25,000 for that diploma course. And I asked this guy that how much will I be paid for that one scene. He said 1,000 rupees. I said this is better. Way back in 98, 99,000 rupees was a good amount. So I thought कि ये ज़्यादा अच्छा है यार. यहाँ पे तो एक scene का 1,000 रुपए मिलता है.
क्या बात है?
And that's how you choose to be an actor. And वही है कि वो अपना ikigai जो है वो शायद that's what Manu क्या करेगा. So that's how you find your purpose. And I think that changed because उसके बाद then I was relaxed that okay, now I have to be an actor. अब काम आता है नहीं आता है मैगी तो खाते ही रहेंगे.
मैगी तो खाते. I do want to take a minute. I'm going to come to the rest of you, but I must congratulate you on such a wonderful performance recently in Sayyara.
Thank you so much.
What has that been for you like? Because I feel like when a film does well, it does well for everybody.
Everyone, absolutely.
Yeah, तो इसके बारे में हमें बताइए.
No, that film definitely, मतलब because I was simultaneously shooting for Manu क्या करेगा. So I was last year around this time, मतलब जब वो shooting सारी चल रही थी, तो I was doing 3 films simultaneously where all 3 were debutants, including them, Ahan Aneet and Aishwarya, who is there in Nishanchi. So I was like, these 3 new faces absolutely are going to take over the industry in a different way because kahin na kahin a gap ho chuka tha, because you had set heroes, but hame freshness nahi mil rahi thi. Freshness we were finding in OTTs because new faces were given opportunities who were wonderful as an actor. But for 70 you wanted someone to come and take over, and nothing better than a love story. So for me it was कि ये भी work कर जाए, तो it was not about myself. I think it was more about them, and it is still about them. Because somewhere, you know, that whole thing which has hit me when I was doing farming also, that someone asked me कि तुम अरे अपने बारे में सोचो ना, दूसरों के बारे में क्या सोच रहे हो. And one day I remember कि मेरी गाड़ी के ऊपर 2 पेड़ गिर गए थे और मुझे लगा था कि अब तो you know when that situation had come in life कि you had nowhere to go, तो मेरे मुंह से एक ही लाइन निकली थी कि the day you stop thinking about yourself is the day you start thinking about others. The day you start thinking about others, the others start thinking about you.
How beautiful.
So it's a full circle. So I think I do not think about myself. I think about these kids.
Oh man!
That's
Oh,
So
I
sweet.
want to talk to both of you about the kindness of people around you. You know, because I know that it's a very hard place. You know, we spoke about the rejections, but what keeps us going is the kind words, right, of people. So talk to me about what probably kept you going. Who are those people who probably invested their faith in you, and what is it like, you know, when someone says कि तू कर लेगा यार?
So I think it's mostly about, I mean, obviously people जो हम वो जानते हैं वो तो हमको support करते ही हैं, लेकिन for me I think maximum weightage goes to all the people who don't even know us and they still compliment us.
How lovely.
I mean, आप सोचो आप कभी एयरपोर्ट पे जाते हो, आपको कोई मतलब फ्रिस्क कर रहा है, उसके बाद जाते थे बोलते हैं कि आपका अरविंद, आई रिमेंबर लाइक मैं एयरपोर्ट पे था तो ही वाज लाइक अरविंद जी आप आइए, मतलब आगे आइए, मतलब अरविंद शुक्ला जो मेरा गर्मिया कैरेक्टर था, तो आई मीन लाइक यू नो एंड दे टॉक टू यू, लाइक अपना टाइम निकाल के दे टॉक टू यू एंड दे लाइक कि आपकी परफॉर्मेंस बहुत अच्छी लगी, आप बहुत अच्छा करेंगे, वो सो दैट मींस अ लॉट, दैट इज व्हाट द फ्यूल इज एक्चुअली. इसके अलावा आई मीन नथिंग एल्स कैन यू नो लाइक मैच दैट.
So true. And Sachi, are you you're a PAP favorite already?
Really?
I know that for sure. मुझे बताओ, what is that training like? Because I know that, let's put it this way, star kids have a lot of advantage because कहीं ना कहीं it's not anybody's fault. They just see it around them. You know, they just have that natural advantage. उनका home ground है. लेकिन हमारा नहीं है. You know, हम रामनाथन्स हैं, बिंद्रास हैं और यादव्स हैं. हमारे लिए सब कुछ नया है. So, for example, just, you know, talking about the PAPs, have you, is there someone who tells you, okay, this is how you have to behave?
No. Because I think,
okay.
I think बचपन से मैंने इतना देखा in terms of PAPs.
हाँ.
In terms, I'm only telling you, yeah, like when that was happening now, again, every different thing I'm doing in the past 3 weeks, it's like, okay, this dream is coming true now, this dream is coming true. Oh, I did, like all these things, okay, they might be frills, of course, doing well in the film is the main purpose.
Yeah.
And these are all frills that come with it.
Sure.
And, but those frills as a child, bachpan mein Sachi could only see that, na? So that was also somewhere her dream. So yeah, with PAPs, it's been nice. But more than that, I'm just grateful to have got Jia and got that opportunity to do this film. And I just hope people love me for that.
I hope that for
I'm
you
very
too.
impressed with the fact that she addresses them as frills.
Yes.
That means she still is
Yeah,
you know,
focused.
focused about the skirt.
Yeah. Yes. So I want to ask you that it was very easy for you to say that this is, you know, क्योंकि trend है, love story, new faces, you got everything. You know, that is as per what should work. But you still stuck to the core and said, okay, this may be 2 wonderful new faces. We're not going out and saying it's a love story, guys, come in. It is about Manu, okay? It is about his journey and his find. And I'm sure, you know, Jia's character is also there to kind of like enable that, you know. But it's so, how do I say, it's like universal. You know, ये मन्नू भी हो सकता है, मन्नी भी हो सकती है, हम सबके साथ होता है ना, कि there could be a time where you don't know what to do. What are the things that you were sure that you wanted your story to reach out with? You know, कि ये आपके फिल्म का core है, वो core क्या है?
So when Saurav, who is the writer of the film, he narrated the story to me. So I was hooked on right in the beginning. So मैंने जो भी 2 फिल्में की हैं, मुझे रियल स्टोरीज और रियल एनवायरनमेंट में, रियल परिवेश में कही हुई कहानियाँ मुझे बहुत पसंद आती हैं. सो यहाँ मुझे लगा कि कोई बनावटीपन नहीं, बहुत दिनों से कोई कैंपस लव स्टोरी आई भी नहीं है. बट हियर आई फाउंड कि इट्स अ कमिंग ऑफ एज लव स्टोरी. एंड कमिंग ऑफ एज इज़ माई फेवरेट जॉनर. मेरी पिछली 2 फिल्में भी कमिंग ऑफ एज रही हैं, चाहे वो क्लब 60 हो या बिनियन फैमिली हो. सो हियर ऑल्सो I found that it's coming of age, a transformation of a character through love, प्यार में खो के खुद को पा लेना, ये बहुत बड़ी चीज़ थी। और जो इस कहानी में दिखता है एंड हाउ दिस बॉय फाउंड हिज पर्पस, तो वो कहानी मुझे बहुत अच्छी लगी. So that was
the core of it.
The core of it.
This is amazing.
Yeah, so
yeah.
that was the essence
And
of
I came on the shoot. I forgot to tell my audience. I actually went to Dehradun for a day, and we hung out. And Lalit sir's music is there in the film. Vinay ji hai, Brijendra Kala Sahab hai, and it was just a fun environment. And you guys were so chill, like I really think that
because they were staying in campus.
Yes, yes. I think these
and
are
we
all
were there
things,
as parents.
Yeah.
Kya chal raha hai yaar?
Okay. Here it is, guys. Vyom and Sachi are debuting, and I thought today on Just Too Filmy, on the Just Too Filmy quiz, I'm going to give them questions about the greatest debuts in Hindi cinema. This might be before your time, but you're very well supported, I must say, with the gentleman on each side for you. क्या बात है? तो अगर आपको जवाब नहीं आता हो, तो आप phone a friend कर सकते हैं, ठीक है? Okay, but first you have to be confident and take Manu and Jia's name. Okay, all the best. पहला सवाल. Name the actress who debuted in the year 2000 opposite Hrithik Roshan.
Jia, Amisha Patel.
That's the right answer. They didn't need your help. Not bad. Okay.
Very bad.
Jia 1 point. Manu क्या करेगा? All right. Sing a song from Kareena Kapoor and Abhishek Bachchan's debut film in the year also 2000.
Manu, refugee का गाना बता ना फिर. अरे देखो सॉरी मुझे गाना याद है.
अच्छा हमने मन्नू पहले बोल दिया.
अरे
जावेद साहब के बोल.
हवा से रिलेटेड कुछ था.
I remember the visuals.
हाँ?
अब
बिल्कुल सही है.
मैं गाऊंगा. गुनगुनाऊंगा मैं गाऊंगा.
यार मैं भूल गया.
सर मैं आपको क्लू देती हूँ.
हाँ बताओ. पंछी नदिया पवन नहीं सुना था.
पवन के झोंके.
कोई बात नहीं. It's way before their time. That's why we have you, no? Okay, this is
ये आपके
great.
ऊपर ही था सर ये वैसे.
All right, all the best. Take your name first. Don't forget that. Sing a song from the recently released Sayyara.
मन्नू.
सैयारा तू तो बदला नहीं है, मौसम जरा सा रूठा नहीं.
क्या बात है, क्या
नहीं
बात है, क्या बात
ये
है.
कॉपीराइट लगा सकते हैं मालूम है हमको एक पॉइंट आ सकता है. कॉपीराइट
All
हमारे
right, the
पास है.
next one takes us back to 1988. Who were the two leads of the love story called Qayamat Se?
Aamir Khan and Juhi Chawla.
Juhi Chawla is the right
मैं
answer. Well done.
मन्नू की जगह आमिर बोल दिया.
Manu क्या करेगा?
वो क्या ही करेगा.
All right, another sing song you won. Sing a song from Salman and Bhagyashree's debut.
जिया, कबूतर जा, भैया ना?
Yeah.
जा,
पंछी.
कबूतर जा.
She's good. She's just too filmy, I must say that. Okay, who directed Sonam and Ranbir in their directorial?
मन्नू
Manu.
अपना संजय लीला बंसाली.
Sanjay Leela Bhansali is right, and the film's name?
सावरिया. मैं सैयारा बोल रहा था.
All right, Dhadak 1. This is the last question. Dhadak 1 was the popular debut of
मन्नू.
जिया.
मन्नू मैं सुन लिया
This thing wasn't over.
जानवी कपूर and अपना ईशान खट्टर.
Apna Ishan
Ishan
Khattar
Khattar.
is
The
right.
question hadn't gotten over.
No, having said that, I must say, Jia, you did better than Manu in this one. So, Manu, the next time, of course, on this quiz, you'll have to buck up and you'll have to overtake her.
Done.
But for right now, I just want to say, as I started, it is always exciting to see new faces. And as Sir said, यार इसीलिए तो हम करते हैं ना फिल्म में, बिकॉज अगर हम ही ये सारे रोल कर पाते तो हम कर लेते. But it is about being age appropriate. It is about having new energy, and I wish the team of Manu Kya Karega all the best.
Thank you.
so much
Such
for
a
your time.
pleasure.
Thank you.
Hi guys, this is Vyom and I would want you all to come to the theaters on 12th of September and watch the film
मन्नू क्या करेगा.